Hi guys, my name is Tonny Areo, aka Mr. Twaaa, and I'd like to show you the other side of Acholi Inn that most people don't know. So, walk with me. So, from here, Mr. Jerome is walking us through the hotel. He's going to show us everything we need to know about this beautiful hotel in northern Uganda, Acholi Inn Hotel. Very beautiful hotel with the best accommodations. Yeah, so you're going to see everything that you have to see. They also have very good meals, both local, continental, every kind of meals you can get at Acholi Inn.
We can check.
Yeah, so this is Mr. Jerome. He's walking us through, showing us around. Yeah, so he's going to show us everything we need to know about Acholi Inn Hotel. Now look at this beautiful place. Look at this beautiful place. Well furnished, beautiful interior, just for you and your friends. Come through, have a great moment here, enjoying your snacks. You know, you can even have your birthday parties here. You come through with your friends, or any special moment in your life. Just look at this beautiful place. Wow. So this is the other side of Acholi Inn that most people don't know, but you're free to come and explore and have a great time here. Okay, most of you have not known because a lot of work has been going on here, but now that the place is well set and organized, you guys can come through. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon, my brother.
I'd like to know a few things about Acholi Inn Lao Limited.
Oh, thank you so much. You're at the right place. This is Acholi Inn Lao Limited Hotel Gulu. It's a very most welcoming place with good reception, very hospitable, nice staffs, very welcoming, and has the best, I believe, in northern Uganda. We have moved around the rooms. You have checked our standard, beautiful, very nice, classy, affordable rooms. That ranges from 200,000 Ugandan shillings to 400,000 Ugandan shillings. That is FB&B. That gives you the best and value for your money. Actually, being a long-stay hotel, since groups of Uganda hotels, which is right now which has been privatized, and right now it is a privately owned business. It's a very welcoming place. I am by the names of Kidega Jerome, the Human Resource Manager, stroke Operations Manager for the hotel. You have checked our food. The production point is the best in northern Uganda. We give the best, and our food sells us worldwide. It's been loved and admired by most of our clients. I will hope to see you again.
This view is nice.
So here Jerome is walking us to go and check out the rooms. Yeah, so we are taking a walk, going to check out the beautiful rooms in Acholi Inn Hotel Gulu. Wow. Look at this beautiful place. Look at this beautiful place in northern Uganda. Wow. Wow. Look at this beautiful place. So we are going to check out the rooms. We're going to check out the rooms. Wow. Just look at this beautiful. So guys, look at this beautiful room. Look at the bed. Look at how organized it is. Oh my God. Wow. So this is the bathroom area. Look at that sink. Beautiful. Look at the bathroom. Wow. Look at this bathroom. And check out the toilet area. Acholi Inn is a very beautiful hotel. You need to visit. Now look at this balcony area. You can just sit here and enjoy the fresh air. Just look at this beautiful place. Now I'm going to catch up with another staff of the hotel and get to hear what he has to say about the place. A good afternoon to you, sir.
Yes, good afternoon. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
I wanted to find out a few things about Acholi Inn. Maybe you start by introducing yourself and what you do at Acholi Inn here.
Thank you very much. My name is Keneth Okello. Mostly people prefer to call me Ken because of abbreviation of Kenneth. I am F&B manager of this place. This place is one of the biggest hotels in northern Uganda with the biggest ambience of environment, and the hospitality is one of the highest picked in the entire country, as the goodwill said. We have varieties of excellent services to our clients, so including sports facilities. Our kitchen produce one of the most delicious dishes. I think everybody continental have approved that. And we are always open 24/7. We provide varieties of dishes, including international, continental, and a dish of your choice that might not be against the continental law or the country law. We provide one of the most excellent services because we have one of the most vibrant and trained waitress and waiters in the country, and we also have one of the most experienced and excellent chefs in the touches of their cuisines productions in the kitchen. We really do varieties of excellent services that keep our clients within, home, away. Yes.
Thank you very much for sharing with us. Acholi Inn also has a very wide and spacious garden, very green, evergreen, for any kind of event and function. You can as well come and catch up with your friends here. There's plenty of space here to chill and just have a great time. Yeah. And they also have a very beautiful swimming pool. You can always pass by and cool off with the heat, or just spend your quality time here. Look at this beautiful swimming pool. So you can pass by and have a great time as well. Yeah. So basically this is the other side of Acholi Inn that most of you haven't seen, and you need to pass by and have the best of this place. Really beautiful environment. My name is Tonny Areo, aka Mr. Twaaa, and I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. If you happen to come to Gulu, always make it a point to visit Acholi Inn Hotel. Yeah, for the best accommodations, best meals, beautiful environment. Everything about this place is just so lovely. So when you visit Gulu, always visit Acholi Inn. Thank you very much for watching. Blessings, peace, and love.